Welcome back to soapNcrafts. It's time of the season for Christmas soap making. If you're making a large number of soaps and want to unmold them quickly, so the mold is free for your next batch, I usually recommend using this recipe, a 25% superfat coconut oil-based soap. It saponifies super fast and can be unmolded in just a few hours. Since this is cold process soap making, safety is very important because we need to handle lye. Make sure you wear gloves, a mask, and eye protection. The recipe is simple. We only need 3 main ingredients. For 1 kilo soap, we need about 750 grams of coconut oil. To calculate the sodium hydroxide amount, we are using the amount of coconut oil multiplied by the saponification value of coconut oil. Then we do the amount of sodium hydroxide. We all know that coconut soap is a very strong cleaning soap. In order to make it more nourishing, we will do a 25% lye deduction, which means we only be using 75% of sodium hydroxide amount. Now we got 103 grams of sodium hydroxide. As for the water amount, we will be using 1.6 times instead of 2 times the lye amount. Less water amount means faster the saponification. So let's get started. In a measuring cup, weight the water amount. Then weight the lye amount. In another larger measuring cup, weight the coconut amount. Coconut oil needs to be fully melted into a liquid state before mixing it with the lye water. Both the coconut oil and the lye water need to cool down below 40 degrees Celsius before they are combined. This prevents issues like false trace or the batter thickening too quickly. Zinc oxide can be added to lighten the color of the soap. Add it to the oils before mixing with the lye solution. This helps it disperse and dissolve more smoothly. Use a filter net when pouring the lye solution into the oils to remove any impurities. Gently tap or use the stick blender to release any air bubbles in the soap. Use a stick blender to mix for about 10 to 15 minutes until the soap reaches light trace. This step is optional. Add the fragrance oil to give the soap its aroma. Mix thoroughly. Then carefully pour the soap batter into the molds. After pouring into the molds, you can place them in an insulated box to help the soap solidify faster. This recipe can be unmolded in a few hours. If placed in an insulated box, it can set even faster. Don't forget to release any air bubbles by tapping the mold. If you skip this step, you may end up with holes in your soap. A few hours later, if you touch the mold and no longer feel heat, and the soaps feel firm, you can go ahead and unmold them. I'll do another batch with same recipe and same procedure. For this batch, I will add cocoa powder for colorant. In next video, I will show you the recipe for the piping cream. I will walk you through the 3 trace stages: light trace, medium trace, and thick trace, to achieve different effects such as drip glaze, dipped cream-wrapped texture, and cake-style piping. I hope this video inspires your holiday gift ideas. Thank you for watching. See you next time. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.